If you can count your money, work harder. Doing what is comfortable is really profitable. You can't get rich thinking poor. When you have $1,000,000 vision, don't surround yourself with 1-cent minds. I create new enemies every day. It's called business. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Work until your idols become your rivals. What comes easy wouldn't last. What lasts wouldn't come easy. If you don't build your dream, someone will hire you to help build theirs. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Be stubborn about your goals and flexible about your methods. You become who you spend your time with. Obsessed is a word the lazy used to describe the dedicated. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Don't mistake silence for weakness. Smart people don't plan big moves out loud. Don't be pushed by your problems. Be led by your dreams. If you can't handle stress, you wouldn't manage success. If your dreams don't scare you, they are not big enough. The man on top of the mountain didn't fall there. Do what you have to do until you can. Do what you want to do. You will never know your limits until you push yourself to them. If we keep doing what we are doing, we are going to keep getting what we are getting. Be selective in your battles. Sometimes peace is better than being right. You didn't come this far only to come this far. Hustle until you no longer need to introduce yourself. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. You are confined only by the walls you build yourself. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. You attract what you are, not what you want. If you want great, then be great. It's not who you are that holds you back. It's who you think you are not. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and think of what could go right. You should never regret anything in life. If it's good, it's wonderful. If it's bad, it's experience. Falling down is an accident. Staying down is a choice. If you have the power to make someone happy, do it. The world needs more of that. Always believe that someone wonderful is about to happen. Don't be afraid to give up the good and go for the great. Remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst times and from the worst mistakes. Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. Never stop doing your best just because someone doesn't give you credit. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even if you don't want to do it. Work while they sleep, learn while they party, save while they spend, live like they dream. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. Never apologize for having high standards. People who really want to be in your life will rise up to meet them. If it doesn't challenge you, it wouldn't change you. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. A hill is just another opportunity to leave your competition behind. You will never know your limits until you push yourself to them. Don't fear failure, fear being in the exact same place next year as you are today. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that's count. Yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future, but today is a gift. That's why it's called the present.